Here you go. If you guys like the rugged phone, then this is the latest rugged phone from Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro. I have already did the video of RugKing 2 Pro and RugKing 3 Pro. If you didn't watch this, you go and watch it out, so you will know the differences, the colors, the prices, the specification, everything. So in this video we are going to focus on RugKing 4 Pro. So I have put everything out from this box. Here we go. We have the warranty card, user manual, we have lanyard, and we have this SIM injector tool. We have 18-watt charger and type C to type C charging cable, and we have a tempered glass screen protector, looking very nice. And of course the phone, Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro. You can read some specification over here, and it is wireless, I guess. Yes, let's see. Okay, wow, not bad. Turn it on. Let me show you the weight. It's 400 grams. I don't feel that much heavy, but definitely it's a rugged phone, and they put the big battery. And you can see over here you got thick rubberized corners and a textured back for grip. So I just came back from outside. I was recording videos from the back cameras, and I throw this phone 2 times, so the corners are absolutely fine, didn't get even a scratch. But over here you can see I have got 2 scratches, 1 and 2 over here. I think this is a textured sticker, so that's why it got scratched, but I don't feel, and it's not prominent. As you can see, the sides are definitely good enough. That is why this is called the rugged phone. You throw it, the back body, the display would not be damaged. On right side you have got the power button and volume lockers. On top there's nothing, and on the left side there is a customized programmer button, so you can set to launch any app or functions. Pretty handy. The SIM tray is interesting. It supports 3 card slot. You can use 2 SIM cards and plus MicroSD card at the same time, and it is perfect if you are traveling internationally or you need to expand your storage like this. At the bottom there is a USB charging port with a waterproof plug, so you need to keep the plug in tight if you are going to use this underwater. And there is a speaker, and this is a mic, and this is for you can charge this phone on the charging dock like this. If you like swimming and you want to film underwater, then this phone is for you. Let me show you the power of rugged phone. See, I'm washing it. You can use it underwater, you can film, you can take pictures, and this phone will be fine. And you just need to clean this phone, and then great. Especially when your hands are wet or you are wearing gloves. Speaking of which, its phone has gloves mode, so you can use the touch screen with the gloves on. I was thinking why they put this frame on the display, but now I know. When you drop it like this, it is protecting the screen. Pretty good. So the display size is 5.56 inches, and it is IPS LCD panel and with 120 Hz refresh rate. Let me show you the refresh rate over here, 120 Hz. And it is not an AMOLED screen, but for a rugged phone at this price range, I think I'm not complaining about it. The colors are decent, viewing angles are okay, and that 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smoother when scrolling, and the brightness is good enough for outdoor use. I had no problem using it in direct sunlight, even I was using it outside just now. Especially when your hands are wet or you are wearing gloves, Speaking of which, its phone has gloves mode, so you can use the touch screen with the gloves on. Resolution wise, it's HDR plus, which works out to about 269 ppi, and it's not super sharp, but it's fine for everyday use. There are many applications over here, you can see. It comes with 18-watt charger. I know it is not super fast, and with this huge battery it takes about 3 hours to fully charge. And this is the Type-C charging cable, so it is about 1 meter. It's in black color, so if I charge this, definitely it takes 3 hours to fully charge. It has 10,200 milliamp hour battery, and that is insane for a phone. Actually, usually phones has 5,000 milliamp hour, so it has dual power. So you can also charge your other devices like other phones, your hand-free, or your gaming pad, or your tablet, anything. It can help your other devices to be charged. So you can use this, and it just gives the power to your other devices. Under the hood, there is a Unisoc T7250 chipset. Now, this is not a flagship processor, it's a 12 nanometer chip that designed for budget phones. So you have got 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The phone runs Android 15, which is nice, and it's pretty close to stock Android with a few useful additions. So storage wise, 256 GB is plenty, but remember you can expand it with MicroSD card if needed. The UFS 2.2 standard means it's not faster storage, but it gets the job done. Let's be real, the cameras are not the strong point of budget rugged phones, but still you have got 48 megapixel main camera on the back and 2 megapixel macro camera, and on front you have got 8 megapixel selfie camera. Let me show you the result from the front camera. So this is a selfie, and this is for the video recording. Okay, if you record the video, you cannot zoom in and zoom out. And on the back, this is 1x and this is 2x, and you can zoom to 4x. This is 4x zoom. Now I'm going to share the photos and video samples which I have took from this phone, so you will know the quality results of the cameras. I'm recording this video on Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro from the front camera, which is 8 megapixel in 1080p FHD. So this is the result you get from the front camera. I'm walking slowly and it looks okay, not that bad. I'm walking, so this is the running result now. Okay, and while filming from the front camera, you cannot zoom in, either zoom out. Okay, you can see from the different angles because the sun is over there. Now I'm filming from the back camera of Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro. This is the results you get from the back camera. I'm walking slowly and this is 1x. Wait a second, this is 1x and this is 2x. Okay, nice, not bad. And you can zoom to 4x. This is 4x. And this is 1x. Okay, can see the people, the sky, the buildings. You can peek someone's house, which is not good. Okay, let me show you the running results. Okay, I think for the rugged phone, the camera is not bad. Let's be clear about who should buy the RugKing 2 Pro, 3 Pro and 4 Pro. The first is construction workers, because they work in hard condition. If they drop the phone or anything dropped on the phone will be fine. And the second is outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, campers and adventurers, because these people just stay outside for a couple of days, so they need the battery. And the third is people working in harsh conditions and environments like a warehouse, factories and farms, so they also need this phone, this powerful strong phone. And the fourth is anyone who need incredible battery life. Okay, and the fifth is budget conscious buyers who need a durable phone, so this phone does not cost a lot. The sixth is parents buying a phone for kids who breaks everything. Okay, and the last but not least, the people in areas with unreliable electricity, so you just need to charge once and then you can use it for a couple of days. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and if you need any of these phones you can visit the websites. I have made the separate videos so you can compare them to 3 Pro and the prices are very reasonable. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.